For a little family bike ride. Even Caroline had fun. All right, on to our next location. Look at this. Look who's behind the wheel. How's it feel? Not so sure. Driving through the desert. Crazy day of driving yesterday. We went through, where did we go? Where did we go through yesterday, guys?
Death Valley.
Yeah, we went through Death Valley and we ended up in Mesquite.
And Mommy drove like 7 hours.
7 hours, but now we're gonna get ready to head out. It's gonna be another adventurous day. Capitol Reef, we made it to Capitol Reef, and now for a little bike ride. Beautiful here, right, Lukey? Yeah. What do you think, Kaylee?
I want to climb the rocks.
Nice. Look at all those rocks. All right. We just went on a nice little hike. Look what's behind us. Amazing. And look who joined us. Look at this guy. Yes, man. Pretty. Good mommy. Wow, look at that down there, buddy. Beautiful. Woo! After a great day of driving, seeing some amazing sights, and ending up in Capitol Reef, what are we doing now, Kaylee?
Watching a show.
Watching a show. You having a good time?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What was the best part of the day?
Playing with Vincent.
Playing with Vincent. Yeah, that was a good time. What about you, dude? What was the most fun part of the day?
Vincent. Playing with Vincent.
Playing with Vincent.
And doing campfires.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't do
We
campfires.
didn't do campfires today.